Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the KB Weather Center here. We're going to go over a quick update here. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms here going to appear in the Northeast here on your Father's Day. Now, we still do have a lot of things to talk about. First, we have a day one storm prediction center outlook once again. Still looking at a marginal risk covering most of the state as well as a slight risk out there in the west. All of those people out in the west will keep you prepared tonight. We did go over maintenance yesterday, so we are running very good. Local IEM bot messages was the latest one here. Storm prediction bot or storm prediction center issued a day one marginal convective risk twice, one at 7:54 and one just latest at 11:30. It's currently 11:36. So at the time of this recording, but we're gonna go ahead and bring you back here and show you a lot of things going to go on today. We do have a lot of these special weather statements also appearing all over the state for all over the U.S., not just this state of Nebraska, for mainly dense fog and other areas are seeing possible funnel clouds, dry cold air funnel clouds. But otherwise, today, enhanced risk over in the Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota area, even parts of Wyoming there as well. So, as well as that, we have marginal risk going all the way down here, hooking up all there, and a slight risk going down here between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 states are involved in that slight risk as well. Day two, switching over to the northern area, we have a northern area of slight in the Nebraska area. Lincoln's still under just a marginal, but these enhanced risks, both day one and day two, could always move, so we got to keep an eye on that. Day three as well, we still have a marginal risk as well as a slight risk for the Lincoln area. Then, um, so yeah, and it already looks like in some areas we're having some severe weather still sparking off here in the morning, like down in Texas. But right now here in the Nebraska area, we got some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of those might be producing a few rumbles of thunder near Bartlett, Burwell, Taylor, Ord, Albion, Madison, Humphrey, Tilden, Nolay, York, Pierce, Plainview, O'Neill, Atkinson. A lot of areas here in the Nebraska area. Those are expected to push east here. So if I show you, we're going from 10:43 to 11:44, and this is what you're seeing here between that time frame. So that's actually moving east southeast. So it's moving southeast. So we do have a chance of rain here in the Lincoln area if that does keep going and it does not dissipate. If I switch over to the KOAX radar, so we're mainly on the eastern front of Nebraska, that does appear to be moving towards the Lincoln area. So we may get a few scattered showers and thunderstorms later today. But the main part of the action for severe weather is going to be out west, but we could expect some in the eastern half here as well. Um, if we go ahead and check here back on our risk, I'm going to go ahead and check the slight risk here. Um, so yeah, we have an enhanced risk for all these areas up here in Montana, then with slight risk for main populated areas: Rapid City, South Dakota; Bozeman, Montana; North Platte, Nebraska; Gillette, Wyoming; and Sheridan, Wyoming, and all these areas as well. Omaha, Nebraska is registering under that marginal risk. Now this was updated. Lincoln is not quite in the risk, but I would still definitely count it. Now, if we do take a look at this, do we have our hazards on here? I'm going to go check our hazards. So what I'm going to do, if I go to the tornado threat, here's our day one tornado threat. We have a 2% tornado outlook that does cross its line right between the western half of Nebraska and the panhandle of Nebraska. Day two as well. A lot of the northern areas under that slight risk are in a 2% day tornado risk as well. Wind outlook day one is 15% wind risk. Day two, same areas as well, 15%. Hail as well. Day one hail, 15%. And then we even have some areas going into the significant here. This area right here, this dotted line, that's significant hail risk. So we do have to keep an eye on that. But otherwise, that is what we're seeing on there. So we will definitely keep you posted, but we do have a lot of severe weather to talk about, and there may be a stream later. We'll see about that. But otherwise, have a very wonderful day. Don't let the weather stop you from having a good day. And hopefully, we get that radio tomorrow so we can get you a new radio unboxing video. Recom R1630. Let's hope. I don't know. I had a bit of address troubles, but I think I got that back on track. So let's see if that package gets here. Otherwise, thank you all for watching. Um, and we will definitely talk about the severe weather over the next course of all of it going down. But right now, that is all the information I have for you right now. Stay tuned for the next local stream later tonight, if it happens.